The next step on our list is to install the Ella theme on the store. But before that, if you haven't bought Ella theme yet, make sure to use the second link which is given in the video description to buy the theme. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest deals and discounts of the Ella theme. So make sure to use that link. Once you bought the theme, make sure to download the theme zip file. Next, to install the theme, I'll head over to the dashboard and then go to Online Store option on the left. As you can see, the current theme of our store is the Dawn theme. To install the Ella theme, click on this Add Theme button, and then click on Upload Zip File. Then upload the Ella theme file here, and confirm. Now, it will take a few seconds to upload this theme.
A few moments later.
Once the theme is uploaded, click on this Publish button, and then the theme will be set as your default store theme. Now, if you click on this View Your Store button, you'll see that the store layout is changed. This is the default Ella theme template. Ella theme contains 50+ templates for different kinds of stores. So, now that our theme is installed successfully, it's time for the next step, which is to install a template on the store. To do that, simply click on this link which I have given in the document. The link will take you to this page, where you'll find presets for every template. Right now, Ella theme has 32 homepage templates. If you click on any of this homepage, you'll see the template. Now pay close attention to each step from this point on, as we will be using some coding to install these templates. Alongside the homepage templates, you'll see these other options. If you click on it, you'll see these codes. We will use these codes to install the template on our store. But first, we need to find a suitable template for our store. Ella theme offers different homepage templates for different stores. For example, I want to sell sneakers on my stores, so I will try to find the relevant template for my store. The template 18 is specially designed for shoes, so I will simply click on it. Here, I will preview the template. This one looks fine, so I will simply import this template to the store. To import this template, we need to install these 4 code data on our store. So, I will go back to our store now, click on these 3 dots, and then click on this Edit Code option. This will take us to the Shopify code editor. Here, we only need to copy and paste the codes from the preset. So make sure to pay close attention to every step. First of all, I will go to this search bar, and then search for index.json. When we click on it, we'll see these lines of codes. Simply click anywhere on this code, and then use the shortcut key Ctrl+A to select the entire code, and then press the backspace key to delete it at once. Next, go back to the homepage presets and click on this index18.json file. This will open up a completely different code here. Simply click anywhere on this page, and then use the shortcut key Ctrl+A to select this entire code. Next, use the Ctrl+C shortcut key to copy the code. Then go back to the code editor and paste the code by using Ctrl+V shortcut keys, and then hit the Save button on the top right. Alright, the first step is complete. Next, we need to paste the settings data JSON file. So, I will search for settings here, and the settings data option will be available under this config tab. Now, just like we changed the previous code, we need to change this code as well. First, I will select the entire code here, and then delete it. Next, I will go to the homepage presets, and then click on settings data number 18. Next, I will copy this entire code from here. Lastly, I will paste this code in the code editor, and then save the changes. Next up, we need to copy the header group, and then the footer group as well. I will go back and search for header. You'll find the header group under the Sections tab. Once again, I will delete the entire code from here. Next, I will quickly copy the header group code from the preset, and then paste it on the header group section, and then hit the Save button. The same will happen with the footer group section. Open the footer group section from the left search bar. Next, delete the entire code from here. Next, open the footer code number 18 from the presets. Copy it, and then paste it on the footer group section, and then hit the Save button. Once all of it is done, the template will be installed on our store. So, let's exit this code editor and then click on this View Your Store button. As you can see, the new template is successfully installed here. Of course, you won't find the images, products, and banners here, but every section that was available in that shoe store demo is available here. You can check the header with the sample demo store, and you can check the other sections and footer as well. All of them are completely same. Now, we only need to customize this store as per our need. By the way, I have already created a detailed tutorial on how to set up a branded Shopify store using the Ella theme in just 30 minutes. So, if you are interested, simply click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.